Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Country Inn & Suites by Radisson, Erie, Pennsylvania. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off of Interstate 90, the Country Inn & Suites by Radisson, Erie, Pennsylvania is adjacent to Splash Lagoon Indoor Waterpark Resort. This hotel is also minutes from some of Erie's largest attractions, including Presque Isle Downs Casino horse racetrack and casino, and the beaches of Lake Erie. This Pennsylvania hotel is located on busy Peach Street, central to most shopping, dining and entertainment opportunities in the Erie area. Many wineries, businesses, educational centers and large hospitals are also nearby, including General Electric Transportation, Erie Insurance, Mercyhurst College, Gannon University, Edinboro University of Pennsylvania, St. Vincent Health Center, UPMC Hamot Hospital, and Penn State Erie, the Behrend College. The Millcreek Mall, offering tax-free shopping, is 1 mile away. Presque Isle State Park and Tom Ridge Environmental Center are less than 10 miles away. The Erie Zoo, Erie International Airport and Family First Sports Park are also nearby. Additional nearby attractions and businesses include Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine, Donjon Shipbuilding Repair, Bayfront Convention Center, Erie UHT Park and Tullio Arena. Hotel amenities and features include free, grab-and-go, breakfast, free wireless high-speed internet access in all guest rooms and public areas, free transportation to the airport, Presque Isle Downs Casino, and Splash Lagoon Indoor Waterpark Resort and room service from 3 local restaurants. The fitness center and indoor heated pool with whirlpool and sauna provide the perfect way to relax after a long day. Business travelers can appreciate the nearby Ambassador Center Banquet and Conference Center for group functions. This Erie, Pennsylvania hotel provides catering with a wide variety of options for breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. The hotel also offers group and corporate discounts. All spacious guest rooms include coffee makers, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards and cable television with over 60 channels, including HBO. Spa bath suites come equipped with refrigerators and microwaves. Make your occasion extra special with a room that overlooks the tropical pool. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.